It's the 8th day of the Advent calendar, and we have Bird Dog Gingerbread Whiskey. So we're going to try some of it straight. I didn't look up the proof on this. Like 70 proof. Kind of feels like a Fireball, but no spice to it. I didn't know what to do with it, so I went and I looked up a recipe. I found the gingerbread flip. Gingerbread, the whiskey, some amaretto, and a raw egg. That's right, raw egg. Here we go. It's actually pretty good. So don't drink it straight. Mix it with some raw eggs. Cheers.